How to find and remove duplicate contacts on Android. What's up everyone? In this video I'll show you guys how you can easily go ahead and find and also delete or remove duplicate contacts. First thing I'm going to do is opening up my phone dialer, and then from here I'm going to head over to contacts at the bottom right. Once you get here, as you can see, I've got few duplicate contacts. So what I'm going to do here is just tap on the three dots at the top right and then open up settings. This has opened up call settings, so I'm just going to open contact settings real quick. I'm going to go to contact settings, and here under manage contact, you will have an option called merge duplicate contacts. Just tap on it. So I've got few contacts that's the same name. So if I just tap on this, and then I can tap on merge. So I'm not going to do this one. Let's continue with this one. I'm just going to tap on this and it's going to merge these two contacts. So if I tap on it, the duplicate contacts have been merged. So if I go to merge duplicate contacts again, I'm not able to see that. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next one.